to ignite excellence so that families thrive and communities flourish. That is more than just a statement or tagline to us at Martin Engineering. We want our employees to feel valued and be inspired, and have that inspiration extend beyond the doors of our building. We want our employees to go home to their families with a positive outlook and enjoy valuable time together. We want our teammates to come in refreshed and encouraged in the morning, and to make providing for their families an enjoyable and rewarding experience in a peaceful environment.
Martin University is a program that we started for employees to help develop them for their current role. We have an online system of 2,000 courses that cover everything from safety to communication to better leadership. Individuals can take the classes 24/7 from a tablet, a computer, whatever they would like to take. It also includes outside training, where we bring leaders in to train on specific topics or send individuals to classes to help them gain knowledge they need for their role today. In addition, we have an apprenticeship program where we would partner with the Department of Labor to allow individuals to become certified in certain roles. We just celebrated our first certified tool and die journeyman. We have a new program at Martin, and it's based on developing our employees for the future. Last year we started looking at it, and we have about 20% of our workforce is going to retire within the next 10 years or so. So we really felt that not only do we need to develop our employees for the future, we need to find ways to obtain some of that knowledge from the people retiring. And so it's a twofold program. It gives individuals an opportunity to develop into a role that they might want to obtain in the future, but it also allows individuals to act as mentors to help train and share some of the knowledge that they have. The program's brand new. We're starting it in the U.S., but it will be a global program. I'm very proud to be a part of the Quarter Century Club. The Quarter Century Club celebrates individuals that have been here 25 years or more. We do an annual dinner and induct the new people that have just achieved 25-year status. Partners or spouses are invited to this dinner, and it really celebrates all the knowledge that we have with the individuals here at Martin. Another thing we do is we celebrate retirees as they leave the company, and after all the years of service, we really want to honor them for the contribution that they've made to Martin. Let's face it, we all spend a lot of time at work, and getting to be in a company that has a fun atmosphere really makes it worth coming to work every day. Martin is really good about celebrating just small events, whether it be the opening day of baseball, a hot summer day, or a holiday event with treats or just social events where employees can gather together, have a few laughs, and just break up the day a little bit. We also have a wellness initiative that allows us to have some fun along the way too, through walking events, Zumba, yoga, and many other things where we get to know our colleagues, get a little exercise, and take a breather from the day. Having fun and being healthy is part of our family atmosphere, and our values really contribute to that. Our values start and end with a smile, and we have motivational posters and examples of how individuals live our values each day, which contribute to our fun atmosphere.
The Listen Like a Leader isn't really as much of a program as it is a course. It's a huge investment from the company. It's something that eventually all employees will have the opportunity to go through this course. But the course really teaches the attendees, teaches the learners how to be better listeners, how to be better communicators. It teaches the learner how to confront another person and what that confronter goes through, what the confronted goes through, and how to approach a person properly. It teaches a person how their body language affects their message and how their body language affects communication. It teaches an attendee how to really tune in to the person that they're trying to communicate with. I think it's important for us to have this Listen Like a Leader course because it helps us be better people. Better people make for a better company. We all think we're good communicators, but sometimes it's more difficult to execute those things every single day of our life. For some, it's been life-changing. I've seen some of the participants walk out of there and just be absolutely thoroughly impressed with what they've learned and can't wait to start using the things that they've learned. It's all about making a better company, a more competitive company, and a better place for all of us to be all day long. And that's what Listen Like a Leader does. It helps us be better communicators. If we're better communicators, the company will be more successful. Probably the most memorable thing that I remember from when I took the Listen Like a Leader course is how I could immediately go home and use what I've learned with my kids and with my wife. I found that I wasn't really giving my wife and my kids near the attention that they needed and that they wanted. And since I've been using some of the skills that I've learned, it's made for our conversations at dinner to be far better. And I found that I've been more patient with them, and they're more willing to share some of the things that happen in their day, and we've all grown closer because of it.
Martin also believes in giving back to our communities. We find it very important to support local activities, groups, and charities in order to help communities succeed. Helen Keller once said, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much."
My favorite community projects that Martin is involved in would be the Toys for Tots, the Adopt a Highway, and the blood drives. They're all really good functions that we put on that help the community and get the whole company involved. Pay It Forward Day is when Martin Engineering employees team up and help the neighbors in the community. We reach out to all residents of Neponset and let them submit an application for our help. Such things as cleaning out gutters, painting, washing windows, and just general maintenance work that they might need done. It's a really fun activity that we get to get out and show our face in this community. Giving back is an important part of Martin Engineering's values. We give back in more ways than one, and it's one thing that hasn't changed in Martin's 75 plus years in business. Martin Engineering plays a big part in Big Brothers Big Sisters of the Mississippi Valley. Employees are encouraged to become a volunteer. Big Brothers Big Sisters serves more than 600 area children who are facing some kind of adversity. The program is developed for the little, but being a big is also an amazing experience. Helping a child succeed in life and knowing they have someone in their corner is very humbling. Martin also gives back by participating in and supporting youth STEM camps, Halloween parade at the local grade school, Junior Achievement, Walk for the Cure, Boy Scouts, Pink Day to raise money for breast cancer awareness, Operation Santa Drop where we ship holiday packages to deployed military, welding competitions for local high school students, and more.
The robotics program partners with FIRST, which is an organization designed to drive science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM, within the school-age divisions. And there's various levels. Martin Motion currently participates at the high school level, where we are given a manual and design a robot, and have to design it from start to finish in 6 weeks. And it covers every aspect of real-world applications of science technology, as well as in a competitive environment. Martin Engineering's contribution to the robotics program is so we can be a member of the community and we can help drive the next generation of science technology within both our community as well as our company as a whole, and to provide that passion to students so they can look what is available to them into the future. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a science base. They could be in administrative roles within our team. They can do various other functionalities, but that is where Martin is driving to ignite the community to focus on this program. The Martin Motion Robotics team for the students is a great venue for them to have an outlet, to be able to express themselves in whatever form they would like. They may not find those outlets within their own schools, and they are able to contribute that within the Martin Motion Robotics team. We have 8 separate high schools that feed students into our team, and they are able to find their similar peers from all of those various schools instead of just the one school they are a member of. The robotics program impacts Martin in our outreach, being able to touch and create the next engineering, science, technology leaders for our community as well as for possibly internally in our company. And it's a great way to then drive the excellence within students. Within our own team, we've had currently 100% progressing on into secondary education and continuing on to college. It allows students to see that there is more than what we currently have in our rural community, and that there are other opportunities, be it in engineering, being it in marketing, or being it just a technician, but it allows them to see there is more opportunities out there for them. Martin Motion to me is my pay it forward moment. It's my opportunity with some of the successes I've had in life to pass on to the next generation, to help them overcome any obstacles they may observe, or just learn the tools so that they can overcome those obstacles and be successful members of society. I have several memorable moments from the Martin Motion Robotics team. Some of the best moments are just seeing students that blossom, that come out of their shell, start to make friends, and take on ownership of their own development. I've seen students that have now decided they are going to go to college. They are going to take on that secondary challenge. They're going to be the first one in their family to do it. And we've had some students that knew they were going to college, didn't know what they wanted to do, and now because of our program are going to become engineers or go into a technology field, which can be a benefit for our community and potentially even to Martin Engineering later on.
We truly believe happy and respected employees in turn instill excellence into their work. With that excellence comes better and more efficient business practices, resulting in continuous improvement for our customers and the Martin family. As we often say and display around Martin Engineering, the best results begin with the best people.